So, very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the greenhouse effect, by which the life is made possible on the surface of the earth. You may wonder what is the relation between life and greenhouse effect, right? There is a relation. So, this is the greenhouse effect. Solar energy will be coming from the sun towards the earth in the form of short wave radiation. Once it reaches the surface, it will become long wave radiation. It will be reflected back, but the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere will trap that long wave radiation. It will allow only the short wave radiation to pass through it. The long wave radiation will get trapped in the atmosphere, thereby maintaining an appropriate temperature on the surface of the earth so that we can live. Otherwise, earth will freeze. That's all. So originally, the term greenhouse is related to special enclosures in which plants were grown to retain heat inside. In cold countries, especially, also in the Arctic and Antarctic regions, if you want to grow plants, you have to construct a greenhouse in order to trap the heat inside. So with regard to solar radiation, greenhouse effect means passing of incoming solar radiation by the atmosphere and the prevention of outgoing emission, that is allowing the short wave radiation and preventing the long wave radiation. This effect is the one which makes the life possible by reaching the compatible temperature levels. Otherwise, the earth would have frozen. The same effect is responsible for almost all the solar thermal energy collection devices, where instead of these greenhouse gases, it is replaced by the glass cover on the top. These are the major greenhouse gases: water vapor, carbon dioxide, and ozone. H2O, CO2, and O3 are the major greenhouse gases, along with smaller proportions of methane, nitrous oxide, sulfur hexafluoride, and chlorofluorocarbons or CFC. So what these gases do? These gases are having strong capacity to absorb re-radiated long wave radiation from the surface of the earth. So these gases will absorb the long wave radiation in the infrared region and will retain the heat in the atmosphere, thereby increasing the Earth's surface temperature. But if the amount of these gases are enormously increased, what will happen? The amount of temperature rise will increase and the result will be global warming. So with this animation, we will see what is happening. Solar radiation reaches the Earth's atmosphere in the form of short wave radiation. Some of it will be reflected back from the Earth's atmosphere itself, outer layer. The rest of the sun's energy is absorbed by the land, ocean, thereby heating the earth. A part of it will be going down to store as geothermal energy also. Then it will be re-radiated as long wave radiation towards space. But some of this heat is trapped by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, as we have mentioned in the previous slide, keeping the earth warm enough to sustain life. But human activities such as burning fossil fuels, agriculture, deforestation are increasing the amount of greenhouse gases released to the atmosphere. You see, industrialization has increased the amount of greenhouse gases. So this is trapping extra heat and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. So that is a problem with greenhouse effect. So to summarize, greenhouse effect is the mechanism by which the heat cannot escape out from the Earth's atmosphere. In simple words, we can write greenhouse effect like that. It is a mechanism by which the heat is not able to escape out from the Earth's atmosphere. It is a reason for life on the surface of the earth by maintaining the temperature at appropriate levels. But increased human intervention adversely affected the phenomenon of greenhouse effect by increasing the greenhouse gases. The result is climate change through global warming. So we should make sure that this greenhouse gases emitted is regulated or controlled within the limits. For that, a protocol is uh, there known as Kyoto Protocol, which says that by this year 2020, all the developed nations should regulate or control the greenhouse gases by 20 to 40 percentage than which was having in 1990. So that means reduction, that was the target given to the developed countries. Still, many countries are working on that. Instead of having this fossil fuel powered automobiles, many countries are moving on to the green technologies like hybrid vehicles, electric cars, then use of renewable energy instead of thermal power plants burning fossil fuels. All these things are to control or regulate the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, thereby controlling or preventing to a level this global warming to save the planet. So thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Please do subscribe if you have not done that, and share it with your friends. Also try to watch my already uploaded videos, and more videos will be uploaded in the coming days in simple topics like this for a duration of 10 to 15 minutes maximum. So that will be beneficial for you. So keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.